You'll be making a spreadsheet in Google Docs. This is called statistics. And you'll be calculating solar energy or wind or some type of variable. So we'll click solar energy to go to our site because we want to get the UV rays. And you'll need to put in your zip code. Once we're here, we have information on weather for our area. There's wind, there's pressure. We're looking for UV. In this case, it's the wrong time of day, so it's 0. But this will vary from day to day. This is a 3-day project. Once you have the information on UV, you can go back and go into Google Documents, click Create, and then click Spreadsheet. Once you've done that, I'll want you to make a spreadsheet, and it should have the days, UV, and in this case 4 sets of data, and label them for each day of the week. One day might be 6 UV, one might be 8, and so on, depending on the time of day and whether it's cloud cover. Once you have this, I want you to make a graph by clicking, holding, and dragging with the left side of your mouse to capture that area. Then go up to the top where it says Insert, and we're going to make a graph. So click Chart, and it'll come up with different versions of charts, and you can choose which type. But in this case, I'm going to click the rows to make it more colorful. And you can also put in headings and so on, but I'm going to save this chart, and it should go to my page. Now, to put this on your website, you'll need to click it, and then click the blue chart, and then we're going to publish this. So when I click this, it'll come up with an address which you're going to capture and put into your web page. So I right mouse clicked and copied that. Once that's completed, you go into your web page, and it needs to be on Edit. Now in this case, I'm going to increase the size and go into HTML. And it'll give you a lot of gibberish, but the point is, I want you to go down to the slots you want, and you can go by the name of things, and simply place it right on your page. So I'm going to right mouse click, paste it, so I put my code on my page, and then I'll need to go down to the bottom of this and save it by clicking Update. Once that's completed, you should be able to go on your page and find your graph.